Hey guys, so we are at Unclaimed Baggage again. You guys have really requested another one of these videos, so I thought I'd do another one. I'm with my friend Chloe. Doing things like that. So I just found these shoes that look kind of like some Balenciaga ones, and they're from the brand Truffle Collection. Should I get this for Lala? I don't know. New tag Boohoo swimsuit. Okay, so I found this Harley Davidson shirt. Just like looks like this in the back, and I found a really cute pair of jeans.
I got this
Lulu's romper.
Found two Lululemon shirts right beside each other.
Here's this romper. This. Ooh. Our buggy is going strong, isn't it? Don't you think we have a lot in there? Yeah. There's some new tag Adidas Stan Smith. There's some Air Force Ones. Okay, so I can only take in 10 items at a time, so I'm gonna have to go back and try some more stuff on, but this is what I have right now. This is just this little Harley Davidson crop top. I think it is kind of cute. I'm not really sure. Ooh! That actually is really cute, yeah. I'm trying on this set from Nasty Gal. I think it's pretty cute. Next I found this cute little dress. I think would be really cute to wear to Lollapalooza maybe, not really sure. This is way too overpriced. I'm so pissed. This is a Free People dress that's really cute, but it's $100, so I'm not gonna get it. There's this jumpsuit that's pretty cute from ASOS. This shirt is from Nasty Gal, and it's really cute. And then these are some boyfriend jeans that I think are kind of cute, but I don't know. This little skirt. This bikini is literally so cute. It's giving me very vintage vibes, just with the bustier detailing, and this is just so cute, but it's a size large, so I'm not gonna get it. Is this bad lighting? I don't know. Okay, we're gonna show you guys what we just got. You wanna go first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, so I just got this two-piece set, and then it's like navy blue, and it ties in the top right here in the front, so it's like a V. And then these shorts that go with it that are really cute. Looks super cute together.
That is cute.
And then I So I just got, this is the dress that I like showed you guys in the vlog that she was wearing. It's really pretty, it's like long. And it just has a pretty V with this back. You can't really tell, honestly. Purchases today, I'm so pissed about this. 2 Lululemon shirts, the Swiftly ones. These run literally for like $65, and this one was $8. And then the purple, I got this one for $10.
I love that purple one.
And so I'm so excited.
And I didn't get anything too exciting either. I just got some tops. So I got this one shoulder top. It kind of gave me, I'm like never talk. This kind of gave me like RUMI vibes. The material is very, very thick and good quality, and I like the way that it fit on me. I think this would be really cute with a pair of high-waisted jeans.
This top, I wanted it.
This sparkly top from Nasty Gal. I really liked the way that it fit on me. Just the tie top in the front and the frilly part is really cute, and it's really sparkly, so this would be perfect for a night going out or just a night that I have an event or anything to go to. This would be perfect with a pair of high-waisted jeans too. So I just found this new tag from Urban Outfitters tube top. It's in I know. I can't talk. Okay, so it's just this black tube top from Urban Outfitters. It's new with tags. I got it for $8 and it's originally like $18, but it's just really thick and good quality. I have an orange one of these, so like I love that so much, and I just thought this would be really cute for the summer too.
I didn't even know you got that.
I don't even know what it is. Just got this like really cool crop top. It's from Pretty Little Thing. It's new with tags, but it just had a cool design in the front with just like the little peephole right here and then the tie up. This is a tan color. I think this will be really cute for the summer too. I don't really have that many shirts in my wardrobe, so I was like trying to get more shirts today. She found this for me, but it's just new with tag. Oh my god. It's just this new tag Nasty Gal set. You guys saw on the try on that it was like really cute. I like how this fits on me. Usually I hate pants, like leggy material pants on me, but these ended up being really high-waisted and kind of loose, which I liked, and so I think this will be really cute for an event or something with some sneakers or heels.
Thing with all of this stuff, it's just it's like $8, so you're like, why shouldn't I buy it? Like, you might as well.
And to clear some things up for you guys, I know I had like a lot of comments and questions down in my last video. So with this is a company. It's not associated with any airlines. Like, it's its own company, and it does a lot of like charity stuff. So it donates more than 75% of the clothes that it gets into like surrounding like charities and like organizations.
Have to stop. I don't have a key. We'll have to find a door that's unlocked. Okay? Go sit on the front porch.
They also do a thing where the hardtop suitcases, they let young children paint on them and like keep them for themselves. They also do like a ton of other like charity work and like donations and stuff like that, which is all listed on their website. It's just unclaimedbaggage.com if you guys are interested in that. They also do wash every single piece of clothing that they hang up. It's a very, very clean organization and store. Obviously, they can't wash the new tag stuff, but they do wash everything, so don't worry. I also saw some comments how people would be really mad if their stuff ended up in there too, and like obviously I would be so mad if my stuff ended up in there too, but how you guys can prevent that is to make sure you have some kind of contact information on your bag. These are bags that the airline was not able to contact at all, that had no contact information inside or on the outside of it. I'm not even sure if the airlines open the bags, but to prevent that, you can just fill out like one of those little tags at the check-in desk, or you can get like a professional tag made that a lot of people have for suitcases. But these were bags that people were not able to contact, or they were able to contact, and I think they give the owners of the bags at least 6 to 8 weeks to pick up their bags or get them shipped. But if they don't contact them back, then they donate the bags. If you guys are interested in how the Unclaimed Baggage organization works and how the store works and everything like that, you can always go to their website if you have any questions. This is a very clean, sanitary, very good organization that actually helps out the community a lot. So I feel really good supporting this, even though they are lost people's clothes. That's really sad, but like it's
amazing stuff.
Yeah, it's the most like environmentally friendly way to do this,
Because you, like, what would they do with these bags that people don't pick up, or like they can't locate the owner? Like dump them in a landfill? That would be really environmentally not friendly. And yeah, like they also, like, people in the surrounding areas that can't afford to like buy new clothes from stores, they can always go to here because it's kind of like a thrift store. Some stuff is super overpriced, like all the bags are, but like the shirts are like $4, and that's like really good. That's about a thrift store price. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also go follow me and her on our Instagrams if you guys want. Also go follow me and her on our Instagrams if you guys want to. I'll leave the links in the description. My links are always on my links are always in the description. I always have my Depop link, my Dote link. Go follow me on Dote, and my 2 Instagram links. So make sure to do that. Subscribe if you're new. If you're new to this video, make sure to go watch my other unclaimed baggage video. That one was really cool too. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.